Alright, so would recommend edit. So this is spelled ED undercase capital IT. And if you Google it, you won't ever find anything because people think it's the word edit and it's rough. But who the fuck's edit? He's a member of the Glitch Mob. Uh, Prior to that, he was just a producer, made music. No one really knows who he is. He doesn't have a lot of releases under his belt. He's more commonly known for his work with the Glitch Mob, which produces glitch electronic music. I wonder why with the name Glitch Mob. But dude, this guy's actually sick. I'd love to hear more solo work from him. But today we'll be talking about one of his albums, Certified Air Raid Material, which is Glitch Electronic Future Dreams. But what I mean by that, dude, this thing is so ahead of its time, it's actually crazy. This album was released in 2007, and I feel like it won't age ever, dude. It feels like the future. It's so crazy, intense, and like, dude, this guy's a fucking edit is a time traveler. How the fuck did you make these sounds, dude? I don't even, I don't even know. And he's got aesthetic, dude. Fucking Asian letters, man, and it's cool. It's cool. 2007. People didn't have taste back then. He also released an album in 2004 called "Crying Over Prose for No Reason," which has a cool album art. It has also red and black, which is of a face. You could probably Google that and find some stuff. Um, it's glitch music, but you could tell it is very early. Like the stuff now is crazy, actually. But let's get to it. There's not much to say. Just it's music. You either hear it, you like it, or don't. Yeah, this shit's time traveler music, dude. I don't know where this dubstep isn't future music, all right? That shit's tacky as fuck. 2010 tacky. This shit is glitch electronic hip hop fusion. This music is this music is advanced. I don't know how else to explain it. Like this makes like other shit seem basic. The level of synth work and like crazy distortion, the shit is like next level, bro. It feel if you're into like this shit, then good on you, dude. I hope you like this. If not, this might sound like trash to you. So it's all about taste. But I'll play some previews of certified air raid material.
First, we want to do is we want to
Skits, man.
first describe your music. That's the most difficult thing I think for most
True.
people. Most people don't even have a context for what it is and what kind of music you're playing, especially when it's a bit
I'll
more
play the skit the
abstract.
whole way
Like when
through.
people ask you, when they're just on the street or wherever, you're just meeting somebody for the first time that you don't even know what their kind of musical background is. How do you describe what it is that you do?
And it just cuts to this track, dude. It's fucking. Oh god, dude. It's like audiophile porn, bro. It's so crazy. Alright, the next song. Dude, they had rap hip hop, bro. It's like 2007 over this. Glitch hopping shit wasn't even invented yet, I think. Maybe. I don't know.
And you've been seeking the same light, speaking the game like the enemy. Hang tight, I got to chill about 6.
The rapping's pretty good too. Like, you wouldn't expect that. Chops are so cool. A favorite of mine.
On the night shift, I won't be home till late, my sweetie. And if I don't make it home by morning, I could be cheating. And she had me all wrong. I was just working great. At 9-year-old me was a Scorpio with romantic
Vocoders are sexy now.
I'm a coastal Cali local talent with a
Also a favorite. Dude, this is so crazy. This song.
The name certified area material is essentially derived from this whole idea that at this day and age, when there's so much war going on, we don't really need any more bombs in the world, period. You know,
Is it
except
skit?
for bombs on the dance floor. So that's
Ooh.
where certified area material comes from. Hopefully, people will be able to listen to this, rock out on the dance floor, use this as like a release healing mechanism to help them get through these times. Just listen to these bombs on this CD.
Bro. So good. If you like Justice, if you like electronic like this, if you like glitch, if you like hearing weird shit and you want to like dive deeper into synths and distortion and all that shit, listen to this, dude. It's inspiring. It's actually so good. I say everything's good. That's why I'm recommending it. So please listen to it. You're doing yourself a favor. I hope so. Maybe I just have shitty taste. Maybe this is actual garbage. I don't believe that. I'll never believe that. It's so good. Alright. That's it for this one. Check out edit certified air raid.